Alright, so we'll zoom out just a little. Here's the first car for 2017. It's a 3.1 Chevy Lumina. I'm going to get you an inside view here. Not too bad. Very nice interior. Big comfy seats. Mud over there from when I was getting in and out last night. We had a little trouble getting it up on the trailer. I'm going to figure out what I'm going to do to space them out. Fenders or something. I don't know. I can take them down a little bit. Get them a little lower or something. Make them drive over a little easier. We're not too high to where they couldn't be driven over, so make them drop them down. We can drive over them and be all right. Come down almost 6 inches, so that's good. We'll just bring it down a little bit. Kind of mess the door up here a little bit, but that's no big deal. We'll just pull her back down or something. I don't know. It's a driver's door. It's not that big of a deal. It's not going to hurt the car any. Battery's dead, or I'd start it for you, but yeah, so sorry for the shitty video. And there's the motor. It's very clean, not a little bit of stuff up there, so I'm not 100% sure where this is gonna run or what class, whether we're gonna run weld or what. To reattach that. We had a battery in here. Well, obviously you can see, but we had to put a battery in it last night and get her fired up. So, but there's a quick overview. So till next time, like, comment, subscribe.